How would it feel to earn an additional $36,500 annually? Clearly, this is a large sum of money. However, did you know that this amounts to $100 per day? If you can figure out how to make $100 a day, you can significantly increase your annual income and get closer to achieving your financial goals sooner. In addition, depending on your abilities, there are a plethora of opportunities to supplement your income. This is, therefore, the video for you if you are prepared to earn $100 per day in guaranteed income. A quick note on guaranteeing $100 per day: many online side hustle ideas pay well, but they don't always have enough consistent work to make money. In a similar vein, some side jobs simply do not pay enough to enable you to earn $100 per day. Therefore, in this video, rather than focusing on lower paying gigs that are unable to generate this amount of cash, I'm concentrating on money-making ideas that have the potential to earn $100 per day guaranteed. 1. Online freelancing. You can absolutely make $100 per day by freelancing online, in my opinion. You can probably earn $100 per day by working just a few hours at many freelance jobs, which pay anywhere from $20 to $50 or more per hour. Also, using your network to find your first job is a great idea. On the other hand, you can apply for jobs on remote job boards or begin by finding easy jobs on Upwork and Fiverr in your field. Courtesy of Clockify.me, average hourly freelancer earnings by field. 2. Complete odd jobs for cash. There are a lot of odd job apps available that let you work on a variety of projects for people in your area and get paid the same day. So, if you're willing to work hard, this is another way to guarantee $100 per day. To begin, you can always check out TaskRabbit or other similar sites where you can list a variety of services for people in your city. You determine your availability and hourly rate as a tasker. You can also provide numerous services to individuals, such as task management, handyman work, furniture assembly, landscaping, assistance with moving, painting, and tech support. TaskRabbit is one marketplace you can try, but finding enough businesses in your area may take some time. It's also a great idea to look for cash gigs on Craigslist and other sites like them to make extra money. Wonolo, for instance, connects you with businesses in your area that have a sudden need for hired help. Construction, event staffing, line cooking, and bartending are just a few of the Wonolo jobs that pay at least $15 an hour. If you need to make $100 per day, there are a lot of different ways to find cash jobs in your area. 3. Try online tutoring. Do you have a lot of knowledge about a particular course or subject? If that's the case, you can probably tutor online for $100 per day or even more. Tutors for a wide range of subjects are sought after by numerous businesses, and online tutors typically earn between $15 and $25 per hour. As an illustration, ESL tutoring is very popular, and businesses like QKids frequently employ native English speakers to instruct students from all over the world. If you live in the United States, you can also teach English and math with Booknook, which pays at least $18 an hour and can pay even more with bonuses. You always have the option of offering private tutoring services as well, and other businesses like Tutor.com offer more general subjects for tutoring. There are also jobs as online tutors for teens, college students, and recent graduates, so there is a lot of potential for extra income in this sector. 4. Start a pet sitting business. Hey, does working with dogs interest you? If that is the case, starting your own pet sitting and walking business is one way to guarantee $100 per day. Offer your services to pet owners you know in your area to get your business off the ground. You could also try gig economy apps like Rover to get your first customers. Rover makes it easier for you to find clients by connecting pet owners with sitters and walkers. Rover claims that with enough work, walkers and sitters can earn $1,000 per week, and walkers typically earn between $20 and $25 per hour. Pet sitting takes more work, but Rover lets you choose the kinds and sizes of dogs you want to work with and your availability. 6. Create passive income streams. When discussing concepts for passive income, why not make use of multiple sources of income to earn $100 per day? Among my favorite concepts are investing in dividend-paying stocks, making money on YouTube, making money as a landlord, selling a subscription service, investing in income-generating real estate with Fundrise. You don't have to make $100 a day from just one passive income source to be successful. 7. Deliver food with DoorDash. Try delivering for DoorDash, which is a simple way to guarantee $100 per day. In North America, DoorDash is the most popular app for food delivery. You can earn money by delivering food to people on your bicycle, scooter, or car as a courier. The fact that DoorDash drivers typically earn $23 per hour is pleasing. DoorDash allows you to earn $100 per day if you work a few hours. In addition, you may earn even more if you are lucky with tips or work in a crowded market. Additionally, you may be able to earn more per hour by employing driver tips and DoorDash hacks, such as delivering at the most favorable DoorDash times. If you pay $1.99 to use FastPay, DoorDash will pay you instantly or weekly via direct deposit. If you're in a pinch, this is a quick way to make money. In general, using gig apps like DoorDash is one of the most dependable methods for earning $100 per day. 8. Deliver groceries with Instacart. Using Instacart to make money is yet another way to guarantee $100 per day. The leading app for grocery delivery, Instacart, is available in over 5,000 North American cities. You earn money by shopping for groceries and then delivering them to people's homes as an Instacart shopper. With enough batches, you can definitely make $15 to $25 or more per hour with Instacart in busy markets. Like DoorDash jobs, Instacart shoppers keep 100% of all tips. In addition, if you follow a few Instacart shopper tips, such as driving at the ideal Instacart times, you can likely earn more money and get more orders. With Instacart, making $100 per day still takes a few hours. To maximize their earnings, gig drivers, on the other hand, typically use multiple food delivery apps simultaneously. Therefore, you shouldn't be afraid to earn money from DoorDash, Instacart, and other delivery jobs like Uber Eats. 9. Deliver packages for money. You can always try other driving jobs that pay you if you think jobs like DoorDash and Instacart are right for you. This is all about using peer-to-peer delivery apps to earn money by delivering packages for other people. You can try some popular apps for peer-to-peer delivery. GoShare. Earn money by delivering packages to local residents and businesses. Roadie. Roadie like GoShare lets you make money by delivering packages in your cargo van or pickup truck. Lug. Earn money by assisting others with lug moves. Driving jobs that require you to move people or move large packages often pay well per hour, which is an advantage. Therefore, you only need a couple of gigs to earn that much money and be guaranteed to make $100 per day. 9. Become a rideshare driver. Becoming a rideshare driver is another way to earn $100 per day if you don't mind transporting strangers in your car. If you drive people during times when surge pricing is in effect, companies like Uber and Lyft can easily pay you $15 to $25 or more per hour. Therefore, weekend and late-night hours are particularly lucrative for rideshare drivers. As an independent contractor, you must, of course, keep track of your vehicle depreciation and gas costs. However, there are numerous apps that pay you to drive, including ride-sharing and food delivery gigs. For addition, here are some side hustle ideas to avoid. It's time to talk about some bad side hustle ideas now that you know how to make $100 a day guaranteed. The issue with these side jobs is that they don't pay enough for you to make $100 a day. You should steer clear of the following popular side hustles and concepts. Websites with paid surveys. Although survey sites are a simple way to earn money for beer and free PayPal cash, you won't make $100 a day using them online. Websites with microtasks. Microtask sites like Appen and Amazon MTurk, like survey sites, are a good way to make extra cash, but you can't make $100 a day. Apps for cashback rewards. This is great news because different reward apps like Fetch Rewards and Ibotta pay you for shopping. But unless you shop every day, you won't be able to consistently make a lot of money using these apps. That is it for the video. I hope this guide on how to make $100 a day guaranteed accelerates your progress toward your financial objectives. Just keep in mind how important it is to save more money. As the saying goes, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. All the best with your side hustle. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Pressure makes diamonds. Wealthy on our way to Mars.